Hey guys, so here are all the WIX AI features that you could get in WIX. So the first thing you're going to do in order to fully appreciate the power of AI of WIX is to go to the www.wix.com/AI-website-builder. Now from here, you can see this create with AI button. Now all you have to do is to click on that. Although it's going to show you all of the just an overview of what AI or the WIX AI can do. You can all find it here. But let's go back to that button and just click on this create with AI. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this one. This is the Wix site creation where you can chat with an AI to bring your ideas to life. This is where you can start a chat with AI to build your website, which is tailor made to all your needs. So it's going also to add all the tools that you need for your site to work better or, to personalize your website a little bit more. First, it's going to ask you to answer what your site is all about. So, for example, I want to say this is for a video creation website. Then hit on enter. What you can find here is that you can actually click on this help me answer button, and you could also skip the question if you don't want to answer this question or you don't feel like it is relevant to your site in any kind of way. And then once you think that the AI is no longer effective or you don't want to continue this anymore or you decide just you just want to personalize your website or humanize it a little bit more, you can just end the chat and continue from here, or you can also access it from here. But let's try this help me answer feature that it has. For example, can you give me some suggestions for how to answer? Like it's going to send it to itself. For example, it's going to give you a few suggestions that you can use, like what is the name of the video creation website. I mean, it is easy to answer, but if you need to like think of something that you haven't thought of anything to name your website, this AI tool can actually give you that. So for example, let's use this film flick studio. This sounds appealing. Let's just copy paste that to our answer field and then hit on enter. Now you can answer this. What is the main type of content you will offer on film flick studio? Let's do films, for example. It's actually going to ask you more questions just to get to know your site more and actually help you to going to build to your vision. So you're going to answer your additional goals for your video creation website again, just to help you build your website a little bit more by adding all the tools that you might need depending on what kind of website it's going to be. So for example, we're going to sell merchandise, although that's not really. Let's use this increasing brand awareness. Then hit on enter again. You can see here actually all the site profile that the AI is taking note of. Like for example, the site it constantly changes every time you answer, every time your answer changes. So just be sure to that you are very clear with how you answer the questions that it's going to throw at you. So now, can you give me a brief history of your video creation? Let's just skip this question. And then once you think that you've had enough, you can just click on this add chat and continue. Now, based on what you shared, it's going to generate a website for you. Okay, so now it has started loading, and you can see here the website that it has generated for us. What you can do with this, it's actually a very powerful tool because you can personalize this a bit more. It actually just gives you kind of a template that you can work with. So, what you're going to do in order to personalize this a bit more, or if you think that this website doesn't really align with how you visualize your website or what your vision is, you can regenerate the design with the AI giving you a bit more freedom to chat with it more and to actually tell the AI what you want to change. So, let's just click on that. And then you can see here again, it's going to give you the site brief. It's like really chatting with an AI. It's going to regenerate literally a website for you. Like if you don't like the design of your previous website, again, it's going to change the website theme. Like this one, it's generating a design, a professional design in shades of blue and gray. It will have a layout with divide each section into two balanced parts for optimal content display. So all you have to do is to just wait for that once again to load. And once it is done loading, if you wish to continue with the website, you can just do so by clicking on continue the website. So I'm going to show you what a Wix website generated by AI actually looks like. So I generated one before, and here's how it looks like. Going to show you. Okay, so here's how it looks like. I have tweaked this a little bit just to, get it along my vision. So here you also have a few more AI tools from here. So you can access it through this like diamond or stars icon. And then you can see these options like you can improve this page by getting a new text for your whole page. You can explore more AI tools by adding or editing any text that you want, creating a full section in seconds, and redesigning your site theme. So all of these are AI tools and are all accessible for any kind of plans that you may have with Wix. And that is all the Wix AI tools that you can use with Wix.